Hey everyone, welcome back to another budget video. This has been highly requested from several of you, so we are here doing a sinking funds video. I know I've been off my budgeting game and the holidays have been kind of crazy. This whole year has been a hot mess, let's be honest, but I know you guys are super excited about budget videos, so 2021, January, we're hopping back on the budget train and we're going to just plan everything out like we used to. So, if you're new to my channel, I typically do budgeting videos every month, but this month I'm just going to show you guys my sinking funds because that's my life and I haven't been really writing out my budget. But if you want to see how my budget usually looks like, definitely check another budget video of mine. But for today, I'm going to show you guys what we have here. I have my sinking funds wallet. Now, you don't need an actual wallet for it. I used to just keep my sinking fund envelopes in my drawer, or you can keep it in a safe. I actually have it in this 3-ring wallet, personal sized planner thing. It's from Kate Spade. They do make these still, I believe, but it's really hard to find because they sell out really fast. But I like it because it's compact. I like it because it's red as well. Red is good luck in my opinion. And yeah, this is where I keep all of my sinking fund envelopes. These envelopes I actually made myself and they're pretty rough. I use like packing tape and I laminated them. They're nice and I put stickers on them, but yeah, so this is where I keep all of my sinking funds because I don't really carry this with me on a daily basis. If I'm going to use an envelope, I will take the envelope out. I will just pop open the rings and take the envelope out if I know that I'm going to be spending from, you know, my medical, if I'm going to the doctor and stuff like that. So this is from Kate Spade. My envelopes I made myself. I believe I still have a video up of like how I did this. Super easy, just like scrap paper and a laminator and a hole punch. Also, I'm using the Papermate Ink Joy gel pen in 0.7 if you guys are curious. I have my money here that we will be stuffing today, and this budget notebook slash planner is from the Happy Planner from Joann's, if you guys are curious, and I customized it myself, so I have a whole video on how I put this together. Check that video out if you're curious. Okay, so let's get everything set up. If you guys are new again to my channel, sinking funds are a great way to put money aside for future things that will happen. So if you know you're going to be traveling, if you know you have a bunch of doctor's appointments coming up, putting money aside for your car just in case you need new tires or when you need an oil change, things like that. That way you're not surprised with the expenses when they come and you have something set aside. Sinking funds, if you guys are curious, are completely separate from your savings, okay? I'm going to do a whole video starting in 2021, like a beginner's guide to budgeting. So I'll explain all that in that video as well, but just really quick, sinking funds are not your savings. They're like an extra saving. So keep that in mind. Again, your categories or your funds will differ from mine. This is just my lifestyle. This is what I know I typically spend over the course of a year. This is what I spend my money on. Traveling, my car, emergency. That's always great to have an extra emergency fund, even though you might have a savings, extra money set aside just so you are ready when, you know, something happens. So, and again, these categories will change with however your lifestyle is, if you have children, etc. Okay, so I'm going to just start off by writing in what we're going to be adding in for the month of December. I already wrote it out, so I'm just going to write it in here with you guys, and then we're going to stuff our envelopes. These numbers typically fluctuate. I honestly just kind of look at what I have in the envelope, and then I kind of determine which envelopes I want to put more money in or less. So it really just depends, and I'm putting larger amounts in. You guys, sometimes I can only put in $10, you know, into a specific fund, or some people just put in like $5 just to really keep it building, because that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to stuff these up as much as we can with whatever money you have left over from your paycheck. So after you write out your paycheck, you do all of your expenses. All right, sorry, I made a mistake. This is actually going to be 80 and this is going to be 20. Anyway, as I was saying, oh, and even like right here for Christmas, we have nothing in Christmas, and Christmas just passed. I don't feel like putting anything in Christmas, so we're not stuffing Christmas fund with anything just yet. I'm going to start it in January in the new year, just to give myself a month break. And this is just me personally. Again, if you want to keep stuffing your Christmas fund, go for it. More power to you. Another one that I'm not stuffing, because there's a decent amount in it, is my home. I had a lot of money in my home sinking fund or envelope because I wanted to buy a sofa. I already bought my sofa, so I don't feel like I need to stuff it right now. But yeah, don't feel bad if you're only putting, look, this one I'm only putting $10 because entertainment, we're not doing much here. I am going to take this money to use for when I go out for New Year's Eve. I'm just doing a really low-key dinner with one friend for New Year's Eve. So this is probably what's going to be spent. And then my birthday. So yeah, just don't feel bad if you can't stuff too much in every fund every month. Stuff what you can and whatever you have left over from your expenses, or after your expenses, I'm sorry. But yeah, let's total this up. I believe we are at $590 that we are stuffing this month. So let's get on to the cash. All right, you guys, we have our money laid out. We have our numbers here just in case you guys want to look. And I'm actually going to take out the envelopes from the binder just to stuff them. I typically do that anyway because it's just hard to like flip through sometimes. And yeah, so we have our envelopes here. All right, so the first thing we're gonna start with is travel envelope. Now I'm putting $80 in here, and I know right now we can't really travel, but I will be ready, you guys. When we are allowed to actually travel aimlessly again, I will be definitely ready. I know people are still traveling right now, and that's just not my truth. I'm gonna take this one from the bottom because it's crimply. It's just not my truth, and if you are comfortable with traveling, so be it, and more power to you. But for me right now, not so much. All right, so we're also going to write in the ending numbers that we're gonna have in our envelope. So 320 ending in our travel, which is great. I love that we are starting January with so much money already in these, because again, 2020 was pretty rough. All right, the next one is emergency, and it looks like we're gonna add in $100. So we're gonna take one of these. So we have 1, 2, 3, 50, 75, 375 here, and I can't wait to see how much we're going to have at the end. Okay, so that is for emergency. Okay, the next one we have here is medical, and we're doing just $50 in medical. So we'll take a 50 here. And also, I hope this cash works out. I actually planned this video out and withdrew the money a while ago, but then I started moving numbers around. So hopefully the denominations work out to how they're supposed to. Fingers crossed. Okay, so we have 250, 65, 265 in medical, which is great. I haven't really been to like the doctors or anything lately, and I haven't had to, you know, get anything done, so thankful for that. So there we go, medical. Then we have car maintenance. Car maintenance, we're adding $50, it looks like. So let's pull, oh, so many bills in here. Oh, lots of ones in here, that's why. All right, so car maintenance, we're adding what, 50? 50. Ugh, can't pick it up. Okay, so let's see what we have. We have 100, 150, 70, 190, 195, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200. 200. Writing like this is so awkward. I'm like, eh. 200 in car maintenance. I probably do need to get like an oil change soon. I don't know. I feel like I always need an oil change soon. That's like the story of my life. Okay, next we have our special occasions, and this one we're just doing $20 because we have 100 in here already. So we're gonna have, oh, let me put it in first. Let's do this correctly, Jerlyn. I'm always bouncing around We have 120 now. Okay, we'll write that in, 120. Perfect. Okay, the next thing we have is family. And, oh wait, family, yes, family here. Oh wait, no, Christmas. Christmas, we're not doing anything. So we'll put Christmas to the side, and then we're gonna go into family. So family, we're doing $30. Nothing too crazy. I haven't really been spending much out of this one, so yeah. All right, so for family we have 120, 130, 140, 150, which is nice. Oh geez, I think the trash people are here. I hear them. Let me pause the video because it's gonna be so loud. Or I think it's the recycling. Anyway, 150 in family. We are back. I moved some money around. The recycling guys just left. All right, where were we? Home, we are not doing anything for home this last month of the year. Entertainment, $10. Oh, sorry, that's home. Set that aside. Entertainment, we're going in with $10, you guys. And it looks like I messed up. I don't have a 10 left. Oh gosh. All right, let me put this aside. See, sometimes this happens. It's okay. Okay, birthday, I said 130. So here's one. Oh, I see what happened. 120. Okay, I need to make some change. I'm gonna make some change with some of the money that we have in our other envelopes. So give me a second. We're going to figure this out. Give me 1 second. All right, you guys, so I swapped out the 50. So we're going to see if this works now. I made change, I should say, for the 50. So now entertainment, we said what, $10? Oh my gosh, I hope this works out. Did I do that right? I think so. I mean, okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is $10 here. So we're gonna do that. Right, so we're gonna have 115 in entertainment. I feel like this is still off. This is what happens when I plan out my budget video too early and then I move numbers around. This is what happens because it all gets mixed up. All right, let's move these up. Next thing we have is birthday, and birthday says 130. Let's see if we can do this. So oh gosh, there's only 1.5 though. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on. How is that? That's not right. Y'all, that's not right. I'm so confused. I have to do 125 in grease and 120. Oh gosh, this is why I have my white out here. Okay, this is what's gonna happen. This is, y'all, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that the ending of this was pretty rough. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. So for birthday, we're gonna do 120. Got my white out handy. So we'll do 120 and birthday. And then grease is gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 125. Because I clearly messed up somewhere. I'm gonna have to find where, I don't know, we counted through all of it though. So that's why I'm just left kind of confused. I don't know, my cash was probably wrong. So, all right, let's finish this off. Birthday, we have 1, 2, 250, 270. Yep, that is correct. So we're gonna put that in there. Birthday, 270. So weird. And then for grease, we should have 175 for grease, but let's see. Let's see how this works. 150, 2, 3, 4, 5, 252. Yep, 275. Okay. So I gotta figure out where I went wrong, you guys, but should be 275 here. You know what? Let's add these up right now and see what we get. My heat just kicked on, but I'm on a fucking roll and I don't feel like waiting until the heat kicks off. So usually I'll like pause the video because that's how complicated filming is. But at this point, I just want to see where my numbers went wrong. All right, you guys, I have been trying to figure out where I went wrong. I've been recording this whole time, but obviously I'm gonna edit that out. I messed up with like $5 somewhere here and there, and then my addition up here was all messed up. That was $3.30. So if you guys caught that earlier and it was cringy the entire video, I apologize. But anyway, total sinking funds for December of 2020. This is the last month of the year. We're going into 2021 with $2,405 in our sinking funds. I'm really excited to see how it will grow throughout next year. So I'm just going to put my envelopes back into my little binder. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really excited to see how this will grow over the next year for 2021, but this is what we're starting with. And obviously, if we spend from it, I do have a transaction log here as well. So we're going to keep track of what we spend and what we add. So yeah, $2,405. I think it's a great way to start 2021. If you want any questions answered in detail, leave me a comment down below. But for January, we will be starting a whole budget series again, and even like a beginner's guide to starting out. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's budget video and look forward to some more. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!